Am I the only one that didn't know 2025 would be this awesome? Let's make it legendary. Welcome to Storyteller, your new adventure hub on YouTube. We're kicking off this new year by diving into a treasure trove of captivating stories from every corner of the globe. Whether it's the latest current issues, breathtaking nature tales, mind-bending facts about the universe, or the inspiring biographies of world changers, Storyteller has it all. Imagine uncovering untold stories of history's most fascinating figures, exploring the vibrant cultures and traditions of different tribes, and delving into the wonders of our natural world. It's not just stories, it's a journey through the extraordinary and the everyday. Coming soon, we've got stories of courage, resilience, and discovery that will leave you inspired and wanting more. From the mysteries of the cosmos to the heartwarming human interest stories, Storyteller is here to entertain, inform, and inspire you every step of the way. So what are you waiting for, Ryan? Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and become part of the Storyteller community. Let us know in the comments what stories you're excited to hear about. Happy New Year 2025 and welcome to Storyteller, where every story is an adventure waiting to be discovered. Subscribe now and let's make this year unforgettable together.